Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to explain you about how to generate OTP number in Java programming language. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I opened Eclipse IDE and this is the Eclipse IDE. Let's create one Java project and let's name this Java project as example. Now the example is created, and now let's see here in the src folder. Let's create one package, new package, and let's name it as example Java. Finish. And here you can see example Java has been created. Now let's create one class. Let's create a class and let's name it as OTP. And here you can see OTP class has been generated. Now let's write main method in our class. Main method. Now the main method has been written here. Now let's write OTP program. Actually, you know OTP is one-time password. Here OTP is nothing but all about the generation of random numbers, right? So in order to generate a random number, we have random class in our Java program. So let's call our random class. Let's write random and let's assign to random is equal to new random, and I have called the random class. Here you can see the error message. This error message is because we didn't import the random class. Now let's import random class to our program, and it is present in java.util package. Let's import it. Here you can see in third line, import java.util.random. Here the random class has been imported. Now whenever this is imported, here you can see the error messages was gone. Now let's write int r equal to random.nextInt. Here the OTP generation will be in the integers. For that's why we have called the method nextInt. Now let's generate 4-digit OTP number. Actually the 4-digit will be starts from 1000 to 9999, right? So we will get the OTP random numbers in between these two numbers, and this OTP number will be stored in the variable called r, and this is of the type of integer, right? Now let's print the message system.out.println OTP, and the OTP number was stored in variable called r. Now after printing the message, let's again print the message to the user to enter a valid OTP. Now user will enter the OTP that he got. After entering a valid number, in order to enter the OTP, we should call one class called scanner. So scanner sc, let's give sc name, new scanner system.in. So this is the class. Now you can see the error message here. We need to import the scanner class, then the error message will be gone. Let's import it, and here you can see the scanner was imported. Now let's write integer sc.nextInt. User will enter integer, so for that's why this data type is integer, and the method that we called also nextInt, and I am stored in OTP variable. So now let's compare if OTP, the user entered OTP is equal to the random number generation, means we need to print that entered OTP is valid. That means if the both are equal, means then the OTP is valid. If suppose if the both OTP and random number was not equal, means we need to print in else block that system.out that entered OTP is invalid. So user entered OTP is invalid if the random number and OTP was not equal. Here you can also see the warning message. Let's continue with the try with resource. Now everything was fine. Let's save it and run the program. Let's run it. In the console you can see the OTP is generated. Now let's enter the OTP that was generated. You can see the message entered OTP is valid, right? I have generated the right OTP. Now let's run it again, and now let's give invalid OTP. Let's give some invalid OTP, and you can see the message entered OTP is invalid, right? So this is all about OTP generation. And you can also give 5-digit number, 6-digit number according to your convenience. Now let's give 5-digit number and let's run it. You can see the 5-digit OTP number was appeared in our console. Let's enter valid OTP now. You can see the entered OTP is valid message. Now let's run it again, and now this time let's give invalid OTP, and you can see the message the OTP was invalid, right? It's a very simple program. This is all about this video about OTP generation. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.